My name is Peter Loosley, Managing Director of Virtual IT Managed Services. Thank you for joining me and hope you get some valuable information from this. Today, we're here to discuss the benefits of co-managed IT services, how your IT department can outsource routine tasks and maintenance and free themselves to provide unparalleled support and actually add value to your business. While co-managed IT services may seem a bit daunting at first, I encourage you to embrace it as a possible option once you see that all the benefits outweigh the risks. So, enhanced expertise. Co-managed IT services allows you to leverage the expertise of both your internal IT team and the external managed service provider, or MSP as we're called. This collaboration brings together diverse skill sets, providing access to specialized knowledge and experience that may not be available in-house alone. We can offer scalability and flexibility. Co-managed IT services can adapt to your organizational changing needs. You can augment your internal team with external resources as required, enabling you to scale up or down without the constraints of hiring or training additional staff. Tasks and responsibilities can be divided between your internal team and the MSP based on their respective strengths. This division of labor improves overall efficiency and productivity, allowing your internal team to focus on strategic initiatives, whilst routine maintenance and support are handled by the MSP. Cost optimization. The co-managed IT services helps optimize costs by providing more cost-efficient solutions compared to increasing your internal IT department as you grow. You can align your IT spending based on specific needs, avoiding the overhead expenses associated with hiring more full-time people and maintaining support levels and infrastructure. Co-managed IT services is also better equipped to tackle the ever-changing threat landscape as you enhance your team with your group of cybersecurity experts trained in assessing and mitigating risks. At Virtual IT Managed Services, our focus is on maintaining a cyber secure score with Microsoft of above 70%. Now, you can also actually look at the idea of offering around-the-clock support and monitoring. This ensures that your systems and infrastructure are proactively monitored, issues are addressed promptly, and downtime is minimized. The MSP can handle critical tasks during after-hours or off-hours work, providing peace of mind and uninterrupted operations. And I've also found that it actually gives your internal IT team the support and resources they need to be successful, thus improving employee morale. So if you'd like to unlock unparalleled support and value for your business, contact us and discuss the different co-managed IT packages and options that we have on offer. There's a QR code currently displayed on the page. It'll take you to a form to request for more information. If there's anything further, please take an opportunity to fill in the form, get in touch with us, and let's have a no obligation discussion. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.